Hi, good day. My name is Jennifer Palma. I am 29 years old, already married with a 4-year-old son. I have 4 years experience to work here in the Philippines as a helper with 2 finished contract. And also, I worked in Hong Kong before for 4 months only. I break my contract but with good reason. And also, I love cooking. I am very teachable and eager to take good care of kids. And also, I can sing. I'm a jolly person. I am an easygoing person. And also, I am very dedicated to work. I can work under pressure. And I can do multitasking as well. And also willing to learn. And also, I prefer to work with no coworker because I choose to only to be one helper because so that I can do my time, like I can spend my time well. I can manage my time as well, and I can focus to my work. And also, I preferred since I studied a Bachelor of Secondary Education major in English. I prefer to have at least one kid, age 7 to 10 year old, because before in my past work experience, I do tutorial. I teach them how to dance and sing since I am a jolly person and I love kids as well. And also, if there's an adult or elderly, it's okay. And also, I can do household works. If there's a pet, will do. And yes, and that's all. Thank you, and kindly check my resume and also my profile in Helpers Library. Thank you.